Hi, my name is Darren. I'm a co-founder at Mpool. I'm taking you through a very simple series of training on growth-driven design. This training in particular is the last stage of the continuous improvement cycle called the transfer stage. So if you have not watched the videos before this, I recommend that you watch those first. Also, if you want to go into more detail on this, don't forget to watch the full series of growth-driven design training via HubSpot, hosted by Luke Summerfield. So move into the transfer stage. It's the last stage of the continuous improvement cycle. And the goal here is to put knowledge about what we've learned over the last cycle into a transferable format. And in that transferable format will allow you in your next kind of cycle to take that insight gained and consider it. You may also want to transfer knowledge that you've picked up to other teams within the business. So we do this by creating a State of the Union report, and the State of the Union report has several chapters within it. So first of all, we look at where we are with overall towards our overall progress towards our big goal. So we go back to our goals document and we look at what is the big goal that we are working towards, what are the focus areas that we are focusing on, and how close are we getting towards that goal. Then we look at the action items that were in the previous cycle. Where are we with implementing those action items? Did we manage to implement them all? Are there some that are outstanding that still need to get built? We then look at experiment results. So because action items get implemented and you need to leave them in the learning stage until you are confident in the results and the users have kind of through the use of those or through engaging with those experiments have shown us whether that was a good experiment, it's a bad experiment, or whether we need to change something. Experiments may run through multiple cycles. Out of that, you should get a whole bunch of user learnings on the way users behave, different devices, different sources, different demographics, different personas, that you can transfer that knowledge to the next committee and also onto any teams within your business, and then cross-team recommendations. So besides saying that you noticed during the experiment of changing the graphic to an interactive graphic that you think that all the graphics on the website should be changed into active graphics, you may also say from a cross-team recommendation that for example, the team focused on creating brochures, so the offline team need to make their brochures more graphical, because you can clearly see from how users behave that they like kind of highly interactive graphics. Right, so that is all for the continuous improvement cycle. You will now loop back into the planning stage where you go and present the State of the Union report as the first thing that you do. The next training is on doing research. A lot of the what you need to do throughout the growth-driven design methodology is do research, and we're going to cover how to do that research. If you do have any questions for me, you can send those to me on Twitter using my Twitter handle @DarrenSmith. Thank you.